So by comparison, this is a true 5, maybe 10-minute job because, well, that side has already been undone. So it's just held on by 2 screws. It's recommended if you have a ratchet, something like this, because it is actually held on quite tight. So once you've undone both those nuts, one here and one up here, it's just a matter of tugging it backwards, and yeah, there you go. You've got 3 bulbs there. So the reverse light is the one that's at the bottom, which uses a T15. Well, for the other 2, I think it's something bigger, but you shall find out through the owner's manual. I have not removed them yet, and it's not something I intend to replace today, so yeah, might be a video for another day there. Alright, don't mind the beeping. So this is what the LED reverse light looks like. So yes, it's a T15 fitting, which is the same as the third brake light bulb from there. And in comparison, this is what the reverse light looks like before. So filament, LED.